Welcome back to ClearTask. If you watch chess streamers, you've probably seen them draw helpful arrows and circles on the board to plan their moves. While it's easy on a PC with a simple right click, the chess.com mobile app doesn't actually have this feature built in. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you a fast free workaround to draw arrows directly on your mobile screen. First, open your Google Play Store and search for an app called Draw on Screen. Install it, and once it's done, open the app. Tap the Start button. You might be prompted to allow the app to display over other apps. Go ahead and grant this permission. A floating toolbar will now appear on the side of your screen. To temporarily hide the drawing layer, tap the eye icon, then tap the small arrow to minimize the menu so it doesn't get in your way. Now, open your chess.com app. Whenever you want to draw an arrow or highlight a square, simply tap the minimized arrow to open the toolbar and hit the eye icon to enable drawing mode. You can now draw arrows, change colors, and map out your strategies right on the board. When you need to make an actual chess move, just tap the eye icon again to disable the drawing overlay, and you can move your pieces normally. It's that simple. If this quick guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching. YouTube video description. Learn the best workaround for drawing arrows and circles on the chess.com mobile app. Since the mobile app doesn't natively support right-click arrows like the PC version, this simple trick will help you visualize your moves and strategies perfectly.